everyone. I am headed to the boat. I'm loving it. And stupid me, I set my alarm. I set it for 5 a.m. I forgot to hit save. I woke up at 5:45. But I was able to get out in time because I had mostly everything done. All I had to do was just get my... Here, let me get my windows closed here so you can hear me better. I had to just put my power surge protectors and extension cords in my bag and just get dressed and run out the door. Well, of course, took out the trash too. But anyways, I'm on my way to catch the crew van, and we'll go from there. All right, people. Love you all, and I'll see you in a bit.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are traits deeply ingrained in our country's DNA. For many of us who travel this glorious country of ours, we thrive as we engage with and witness its awesome bounty. Unfortunately, many of our brothers and sisters who've helped make all of this possible aren't thriving. Visit HeroSoapCompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping Badge help our vets.
I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it.
Well, people, I'm on my way to the boat. I'm now in the crew van, so I'll check in with you when I get there. Hey everybody, I'm on the boat. Let me turn this camera around and show you my galley. It's huge. All right, hold on. This door here, right away my pantry is right here. Of course, it's quite a bit empty. I'm going to be placing a grocery order. I got 3 refrigerators over here. Now, let me back up. There's the dining room. A lot of cupboard space over there. That's that right there. That right there. That's a steam table. I can't wait to be able to use that. That's a thumbs up for me. That's the only freezer I have from what I understand. So we're going to be getting groceries quite a bit. There is more counter space with a bunch of my kitchen gadgets. The stove. Please do not look at this kitchen right now. You see it is kind of a mess. Now, so basically you're going to see me clean this up. There's the sink, dishwasher. This is an old boat. I thought it was a newer boat. So, but that makes up for it all. I like this. I like it. I like it. And of course, hey, I got a TV in here now. But let me get a big wide spread of the dining room. Check this out. I got 2 entryways. I like that. And let me show you how I am real low on groceries. Oh yeah. So, we'll be doing fine. I know we will. Okay, now we're going to take a tour of this tiny room. Turn on the lights. There's my bed. That's my dresser. I have no desk in here. I do have a chair. So it looks like I'm going to be doing editing at the bottom of my bed. Pull up the chair. I do have a big TV though. Nice. These 2 closets. There's a closet right there. There's a closet right there. And of course those are windows. And here's the bathroom. The bathroom I think is bigger than the bedroom. But check the size of this bathroom at. Okay. Let me stand in the corner here. Of course, there's the mirror. Hi, people. Sink. Toilet's way over there in the corner. There's some towels. I hope those are clean. I'm going to smell them. Probably not. Rewash them. And the shower. It's a nice size shower. I like that. Got room to move in this one. The other one I didn't. And of course hooks. But that's it. So I'm gonna see if the chief can make me a small little desk, put it right over here. But that's it. And y'all know me, I make the best of any bad situation. But there's no way my clothes are gonna fit in all that. So that sucker's full of clothes. I got some more clothes over there in this one. That's my galley bag, so that just stays in my galley bag. But in the meantime, that's it. Oh, fun. Alright, be back, people. I didn't show the view from this side of the bed, but I do have some place to set my phone. There's a plug up there. And I probably set a few other things up in that little cubby. I'll make the best of it. And I got a little light above my bed. So I'm glad I brought my desk lamp with me. I'm sorry I'm laughing so hard on this. Oh boy. Anyways, there we go. Well, people, I'm watching the phone up here in the wheelhouse while the captain takes a nap. We're not fully crewed up yet. Still waiting on the pilot. But check out this view from the captain's chair. Wow. Turn all the way around here. Let me show you something. Go out this door here. Quick. See that gangplank? I had to walk all the way across that. Come around. Over here to here. Go here. Go around. Go down these stairs. Come around to those stairs. Go all the way down. Right there, those stairs there. All the way down to the side. See? I'm just holding the phone up so hopefully you can see. And then go inside up. There goes the lead man now. Gotta go let the people in the gate. So, but that's how we got on the boat. And this unsteady old woman on her bad knees and bad hips, trying to go up and down those things, it took me 10 minutes to go, 10-15 minutes just to walk that plank and the stairs. But check it out. Look at all these barges. But we're going to be here let me turn this around. We're going to be here for probably about 24 hours because either here or just going to get our barges once the pilot gets here because we got to wait for groceries. Barely anything on here. I'm fixing chicken wings tonight. The captain's buying lunch today. He's having burgers delivered. Anyways, great captain. Him and I are going to get along good. All right, be back. Here's the plaque when this boat was built, 1951. I'm coming down the stairs from the wheelhouse here, and look as you walk around the corner, we've got a workout room here. Treadmill, workout bench. Behind that treadmill there's some weights that you can work with. Over there. But check out these photos coming up. It's up on the wall. This is some of the towboats, old towboats on the river. Now I have to be quiet right here because this is that's the pilot's room right there. That's the linen closet to your left. To the right, that's the stairs. That's the chief's room. That's the deckhand. They share a bathroom. This is the mate's room. And this is another deckhand room. And this is looking out that window. Now going down to the first deck. Yeah, it's a little steep for me. These are steep stairs. I have to take them very gently. I'm afraid I'm going to fall. But it comes into the crew lounge. This is their lounge. Right there, that's what we call the call man's room. And this is the bathroom that they all shared down here. Just do a quick tour of it. Shower, toilet, sink, and then it has like a linen closet. I didn't take a good look. That's another linen closet. Has like the sheets, pillowcases, towels, blankets, heaters. Don't need the heaters right now, it's too hot. This is down here. This is one of the deckhand rooms. Some of the postings. I know that says the watchman's room, but that's usually where the lead man or mate will sleep. That's the mate's office, which is next to my bedroom. And now we're coming up to the laundry room. And of course, more supply closets. And that is a refrigerator right there. We keep our bread and their water. Here are some of the signs that is around these doors and stuff. And of course, this is my room there. Whoops. This is wake up times. And who gets coffee made? I do. I get coffee made for me. Here's with the AED. You gotta have those vests available before going out the door. Here's more of these signs. Here we go. Here's some of the signs we have to follow. So if you want to stop and read some of these different signs everywhere. A lot of it's secured area. Can anyone tell me what type of clock this is? How many people know this?